Hi, so we've seen how to create a data source as well as publish a report, and now we're going to look at scheduling a report. So you click on the Schedules tab and the Create tab, create a new schedule, and the options to execute the report are now, which is just run it as a one-off report without a recurring schedule. As well as hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, and also custom. For custom, you can create any cron that you wish to for it. There's a link here to cron helper if you're not too familiar with it. For our example here, I'm going to create a daily report, and you'll see here the name of the report. This is populated with all of the reports we have. I'm going to select the report we published in the previous video, class reports, and select the output format. It's be PDF, and the data source. I'm going to select my data source, one we created in the data source video. And then the output file name is the file name along with the extension that you want to be sent out. And the email is the email recipient, of course. And there's also an option not to send any mail with it if you're just running a one-off report, or you're running it even as an ongoing report, but you just want to save it locally to the server. Okay, and then here we see optional parameters. Okay, and here we can put in the email subject, class reports, and whatever I want to put into the email body. And here we also add any additional URL parameters we wanted to add to it. If we had an ID or any other parameter you wanted to add to it, you would put that in here, and you can add any number of parameters to that. And go ahead and click Create, and that will create the schedule. Okay, so if we go back now to the Reports tab, and look back in the new reports folder from earlier, we'll see there's some new icons here. This is the run icon to run the report on demand, in addition to the regular schedule. This clean is to remove reports that are saved on the server, and you can also download any reports that are saved on the server. And you can also edit the report from here as well. Let's go ahead and just run it so you can see what the output is. And you'll see here it's running it locally and saving it locally, and also emailing it as well, because it's a scheduled report. And it's being saved in the new reports folder with the timestamp as well. And also, if we check our email, we'll see the report was emailed as well. Just one more word about schedules. The schedule here is independent of Apex. You can still schedule reports within Apex, you and your end users, etc. This is a separate function, and it's independent of Apex.